Got the new Pod Express from Line 6. Listen, this is not a paid video, and they didn't give it to me for free. I bought it. Got the box open. Got the paperwork. You know, I've got a paper manual. I was glad to see a paper manual. A lot of times you just get the online version. Some little rubber feet, I guess, if you wanted to put them on. I probably won't. Just take up more room. It comes with the batteries, a good alkaline set of batteries. We'll see how long they last later. It's got this little warning seal on the plastic, like you have to agree to these terms if you're going to crack the seal. Lots of ins and outs. I like that. The plastic to me feels, I don't know, it doesn't feel sturdy. I mean, one of the reviewers who were paid by Line 6 says it's ultra sturdy. I ain't gonna say that. The batteries that come with it, they look like the good batteries. We'll see how long they last. I don't know if they're as good as Duracell, but you know, we'll give them a shot. I had a little trouble getting the back on. I don't know. It just feels like that tab is gonna break to me. It's not gonna be long. Pretty satisfying snap there. The buttons feel pretty good. The middle knob clicks, the rest of them don't click. There's the ins and outs, left and right. I'm going into my head rush. I've got the 12-inch head rush. Now it comes on when you put the cable in the input. There's no on-off switch. There's a little volume rocker on the left-hand side. Running my Stratocaster, it's actually a vintage Icon V6, into my head rush 12-inch. You've got the tap tempo and the on and off, which you can assign. I'm going to go into that later and show you how to assign that to do different things. But here's some sounds I'm going to run through and play for you. If you like the video, subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more videos, go a lot deeper into this thing and how to do some controls and some changes that you don't really see on these other videos. All right, see ya.